Hi, this is Maria. I'm going to show you how I made today's layout using Goodnotes 5, the 2019 Natural DigiBujo by Jenny Gollan Designs, stickers by Jenny as well, and the Shapes tool, which turned out to be a very handy tool for this design. So let's get started. The first thing I do every time I open one of these videos is clear the page. So we're going to click the three dots on Goodnotes and clear. We're going to start from scratch. This is my day 23 page in my journal, and I like these journals because they're a blank slate. I change my mind a lot, and this lets me do what I want and not be stuck into a particular layout. So I'm going to drag my photos over to the side here, and I'm going to work side by side. This is my photo roll, and I'm going to click my albums, and I have a folder in my photos, an album called Planner Stuff. Keep all my planner stuff in here, all my stickers that I've purchased over the years now. And the good thing about this is if I can't remember which one I want, I can tap it and I get a nice big picture to scroll through. I want this one, so I'm going to back up now that I know where it is and just drag it over. Okay, now inside of Goodnotes I'm just going to place it, resize it if I need to, drop it into place, and I have an instant daily. Now I'm just going to go find the rest of the stickers I used in this design. I really like Jenny. All of her designs are hand-drawn, and I will link. There's going to be a, down here somewhere, there will be a little arrow, down arrow, so you can find links to all the stuff that I use in all of my videos. So let's see. It's just a matter of finding the sticker I want, drag it over, tap and crop. Today was Wednesday. Copying and sizing of stickers is much easier with Goodnotes 5. So I'm just going to drop that over that. Okay. If you don't like your placement, since I have an image over an image, the lasso won't work. If you have images on and you try to move just the one little sticker, you'll end up moving both. So what you want to do with sticker over a sticker, let me turn that off before I forget. What you want to do with sticker over a sticker is long press and edit, and then I can move the sticker on top. And that actually works with the sticker on the bottom as well. Long press and edit, and I can move that one. So that's very handy. And the sticker I laid on top will stay on top. Okay? I moved that a little too high. Okay. So the sticker I laid down first stays on the bottom, and then the sticker that I laid on top. Let's go ahead with the rest of my stickers. Let's do this one. Drag it over, tap and crop. We'll grab this little green one. Drop it into place. Same sticker. Tap and crop. I'm going to get the white one. And I'm going to rotate. Whoops. I'm going to rotate that. And put it on top. Just for a little bit of layering. Okay, now I'm going to actually select the lasso images on because I want to copy both of them. Tap and copy, tap and paste, and I'm simply going to rotate this around so I get it on the opposite side, and I'm just going to make sure the sizing is pretty darn close. and now I have a mirror image on the bottom. Okay, now let's get the next sticker. Tap and crop. And drop it. Same sticker. Tap and crop. Click done. And just fit it within the limits of this flower wreath. Drop it. And same sticker. One more thing. Tap and crop. These stickers, every time I look at these stickers, they're just so pretty. I like them so much that that's all I use anymore is Jenny's products. Alright, so now I'm going to make sure my images is on. That's all one big sticker. I'm going to copy and paste. So I have a mirror image. My lasso is still selected. Okay, and now that's it for stickers. Now I'm going to add the Shapes tool. Now the Shapes tool works with your pen. So if you click it again, you'll see that you have the options of which pen to use. I like brush pen. But fill color is very handy. So I'm going to select fill color to be on and a purple pen. And it's going to, the Shapes tool straightens your lines. So it's going to straighten this square for me. And because I had fill color on, it filled the box with that same shade of purple. So now I'm going to lasso, tap and copy. Now notice my wording disappeared. So we'll see if that pastes as well. Yeah, so let's back up. We need to lasso and turn off images because this counts as handwriting. Lasso, tap and copy, tap and paste, and now I have two boxes. That's what I wanted. Okay, now if they're not lined up just right, we can always move these. Actually, I like the box where it is. We're going to move the image instead. Just a little bit over. Lasso, images off, and I'm going to move this, which counts as handwriting. Okay, now I have pretty purple boxes. But then we take it further a little bit. You can actually go back to my Shapes tool. You can actually fill your other shapes as well. Shapes tool. I'm going to take my lasso, make sure images is off, take my lasso, and I can move this if I don't get it just where I want it. Shapes tool. It's remembering my purple pen, and you see I'm very shaky. It straightens right up for me. Lasso. Okay. Shapes tool. Easy peasy. Okay, now I'm going to go back to my pen tool and just draw in my day of the week here. Okay, so one last thing. I'm going to click my text, select a black ink, paintbrush, select a font. I happen to like Surf's Up, a purchase fonts from Jenny, and I'm going to just double tap and start typing away. I want a to do. Just move this if you want to, see where you are. to do. Okay, and you can move that where you want it. And then I want another box, double tap. I like shopping. I do shop a lot. Whoops. Move that where you want. Now you can also move your text by using the lasso. Make sure images is turned off and you can move your text this way. Just make sure you only grab the text. Okay? You don't want to do this. Just grab the text. Alright. You can also make your own layouts with the Shapes tool. You can very easily change the whole look of your journal. And then of course lasso, and you can move it as you want it. Just get it in the general area. Back to Shapes tool. You can make anything, any size, any color. The possibilities are endless. You can even, it's just, you know, like I said, the possibilities, you can do all kinds of things with this shape tool. So there we have Goodnotes 5, stickers, and the Shapes tool and text. Thanks for watching.